All the wasps in town. I think that's your grandma now. See? Your grandma must be here already. That's your classmates? That your classmates?
No, one is them, the guy in the black shirt. He's in my class.
Do I drive fast?
Kind of. Wait, you're at church?
What?
You're at church?
Church? What church?
You're
What?
at church?
Who?
Grandma?
No, Grandma's walking home. Grandma went to work.
Now she's walking home.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to meet her. Meet her. Meet. If she's still there. If not, then we go ahead to. Is it traffic? See, there's not much traffic now here. Because everyone is going our street, Parliament. Watch on the left, see if you see Grandma. You yell at her. Grandma! Gonna have our roof fixed next year. You think you'll see your grandma? Help me find your grandma. She'll be walking down the street. Is that your grandma to the left? No?
Whoever it is has a backpack on.
Oh,
Oh, stop.
she's gonna have a backpack, you mean?
Yeah. She knows how to back.
See, it's already fall, changing colors.
Guys are blue.
Colors, changing colors.
Guys are blue.
Is that your grandma now? No?
No, she doesn't have long hair.
Doesn't have long hair?
I said she doesn't have blonde hair.
Blonde hair?
She doesn't have blonde
I can make her hair blonde. So you got 5 friends now? You remember their names? 6?
Yeah.
Oh. So how did you make friends? I say, what's your name? Oh, my name is Sandra. And you? What's it? You? Oh, you're not so nice. Get a nice smile. Did you do that? No? No? What did you do? How did you make friends? Hello, this is Sandra.
They just asked if they wanted to play with me.
Oh. And then where did you play?
Play tag.
I don't think your grandma is around already. Is your grandma home?
Today is tomorrow.
I think we are late. Your grandma could be home already. Wait. Is that your grandma walking? Walking down the road and walking down the road. Here is your grandma. My favorite grandma. Your favorite grandma is here. Let her walk it out here. Let her walk it out here. She's lazy. She's lazy.
Grandpa, don't let her over.
Gonna hit her. Gonna hit her. Is it not connecting?
So did Grandpa pick you up?
Yeah,
Okay, how is his school?
good.
Tired.
We're planning to go to KFC.
Oh, what?
He wants KFC. Let's go KFC.
Will Grandpa pay?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Jim has anyway, Boston Pizza, so he doesn't need to go out.
Oh, yeah.
Grandma, look, I found the ball.
Oh, yeah? Where did you find it?
Well, I was like throwing it, like I was throwing it back and forth at the ball. And then I threw it too hard.
Oh, yeah.
In the air,
Mm-hmm.
on the house and road somewhere. And
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't find it. And then Grandpa said, "Is that somebody's ball?" And then I said, "That's my ball."
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
So, who took you to school?
Grandpa.
Oh, my goodness. So, Grandpa is taking you to school.
He doesn't need me. He can go home by himself.
But tomorrow, Grandpa is working. So, will you go by yourself or
Yeah, he can go home.
you go by yourself?
Yeah.
Or Uncle Luke? Uncle Luke is not working with
That
Alang.
should be good now.
Yeah, but still, you have to be watched.
Wow, that house is such a beautiful house.
Oh, yeah? Which house
we
is
need
The
that?
one with the wood
Oh, yeah.
glass.
Yeah. It's a big house, huh? So you work hard so you will have a nice, beautiful, big house.
Where should we go? I think we should exit here. I'll use this as an exit because there's gonna be busy. I think this is the right way. Yeah,
Wala ba
let's...
tayong rice?
What?
May rice ba tayo?
Ewan ko kung nagluto si Loki.
Nagluto ba?
Tawagan mo. Kinain niya lahat yung rice.
Dan 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 dan.
Let's use this.
Dan 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 dan.
School buses from my
From my school? From your school? School, Bukol? School. What do you want to eat?
like normal, 2 drumsticks and fries.
2 drumsticks and fries? Anong gusto mo?
The skin is actually really good, right, Grandma?
Yeah, but it's not good for old people.
At least they put the chicken inside, right?
Oh. That's a $5 deal.
Anong $5 deal?
May soft drinks, 2 chicken,
And,
may bread with fries.
okay. So yun sa kay
That's
Sander.
what we got last time.
Sa atin 3-piece meal o kulang.
Alin, yung sa'yo?
Oh,
3-piece meal?
you think we should take this road? No. We can take this. It's a 3-way stop anyway.
Sinabi mong sasama si Jan. Boston Pizza here sa South?
Oo.
Sa anong oras? 6 to
Hindi
8?
ko nasabihan.
They should put a pizza.
Sasabihan
They
mo lang
should
ako.
put a
Because
pizza
you have to
hut.
tell them so they know how many to expect, huh?
They should put a Pizza Hut over here.
Yeah, there's Pizza Hut over there.
Well, that's true, but it's not.
Ano yun? Nakakuha sila ng budget? Siguro, no?
Sino?
Bakit sila magbubus ng pizza? Sinong magbabayad?
Kanya-kanya.
Ha?
I always give them money.
Ganun ba?
Basta yung flat rate nila is $5. Tapos
Tapos?
pagkakain na ganyan, kanya-kanyang bayad sila.
Hindi ba yung on Libre?
No. It's never free.
So, magkano bibigay mong pera?
I always give him $20.
Kasi na yan.
Yeah. Tapos yung sukle, tinatabi niya. Gaya minsan, di ko naman siya binigyan ng $5. Sabi ni Loki, nagbayad daw siya eh. Gem.
Until next time.
Drive-thru?
No?
Dad,
Kakain dyan.
What?
Kakain dyan.
guys, I like
Why do you wanna eat there?
I wanna eat there.
that will do. Because I'm good.
Reserve gamay.
Good.
Reserve ba yun? Reserve ba yun? For
It's not reserved. There's no reserve.